Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 Platinum Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 6.7 liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, a nice bed liner on this vehicle, tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with the Tremor gripped running board, side bed steps. We do get a keyless entry keypad, fully powered trailer tow mirrors with side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, front tow hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. They have this nice black leather interior, some blue suede, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, flat fold storage system with cup holders, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, got 120 volt down there, rear vents, cup holders and arm space, and the ability to have a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat and massaging. Same thing goes with the passenger seat. Same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. Power folding mirrors. Hello. With memory seat for the 3 drivers, B&O sound system, lights, tailgate, spotlights, park brake, pedal adjusters with a powered steering wheel column. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 24 kilometers. Got this nice leather app steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Digital speedometer. We do get my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage, wireless charging, outlets, and it does close. More cup holders if need be. Center console with tons of storage. You can even get a little light down there. 2 USB-Cs. Platinum logo. Trailer turn assist. Rear locking diff. 4-wheel drive. Drive modes. Trailer brake. Pro trailer assist with dual climate. Heated and cooling front seats. Heated steering wheel. 12 volt, 120 volt. Storage above, below. On the dash with 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener. Our features for are twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, engine brake, hill assist, all the use down here, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle where we can go for different camera angles. Looking here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls just right here, navigation, search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may have downloaded will be right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, personal profiles, massaging front seats, perfect for those long car rides, and your features of the vehicle such as your smart hitch and onboard scales. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE34179, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.